Hi, my name is Vitor Nagy, and this is the 15.6 configure milestone kickoff video. I'm the product manager of the configure team. And let's see what we want to work on in the following milestone. First of all, I would like to welcome 3 new engineers to the team who started in the past month and a half. Beginning of September up to the beginning of October, we started with 3 new engineers, Hunter, Pam, and Timo. They are all amazing people, and especially I would like to mention one thing, which Timo is actually the maintainer of the Terraform GitLab provider, and for his work within GitLab and on the provider, he was considered to be the most valuable community contributor back in March this year. As a result, that we hired these 3 amazing people, our number 1 goal is to support their successful onboarding. Most of them will be already delivering code as well. Actually, all of them will be delivering code as well in the next month, but I wanted to still welcome them at GitLab. So the first goal for us is to work on front-end access to CAS, which is very similar to the CI/CD workflow in the sense that in the CI/CD case, from a CI job through CAS, the user can reach their clusters. Here, from the GitLab UI, through CAS, the user will be able to reach the cluster. This enables our 2 biggest design topics, because we are working together with the release team on Kubernetes integrations within the environments page. On the design side, we have a topic to solidify the user journey for providing these insights of Kubernetes within the environments page, and to design how it should look like as well. So these are the following milestones work, but we are already working on it and preparing that. The second goal is to provide an infrastructure visibility toggle. It seems like a simple thing, but actually other teams are working on this for several months, and we are the last one here who have to implement it. This will allow users to hide the infrastructure menu from the main menu, and hopefully it will improve the user experience for users who don't need it. Followingly, we want to continue with adding support to Kubernetes 1 version 1.25. This version came out end of August, and we plan to provide support to new versions in the 3rd month following the initial release of the given Kubernetes version, which will be actually end of December. Followingly, as Timo joined finally in GitLab, we want to migrate away from GitHub to GitLab with the Terraform provider. This will be led by Timo as his primary project. This should allow us to have better owners of the project. Hopefully, we will be able to contribute more. We'll be able to build stronger relationships with the community, as it will be much easier for us to track progress and feedback on the project from the community within GitLab than it was in GitHub. The next 2 items are stretch items for us. One is to support templating tools to improve our support of Helm. A month ago, we released an alpha version of Helm support with the agent. And the next step would be to add environment support to that. That means that today there's a limitation that users have to copy the whole Helm chart together with values file from one environment to the next. And this means a huge amount of code duplication. While Helm, one of the features is that they have something called values YAML. And basically, they can reuse the same Helm chart with different values for different environments. We want to add support to values either in the agent configuration file or in values YAML files as the next iteration of our Helm support. And finally, it's very likely that we will manage to roll out support for kubectl, exec attach, copy, port forward on gitlab.com. this will be a GitLab COM only solution for the time being, but we can already document how self-managed users might be able to set it up on their own instances as well. These are the focus topics for us. The reason why the kubectl issue is not mentioned on the goals, because we are here mostly waiting on the infra team who are doing an amazing job to support us, but it should land a month in a month. So these are our goals. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the Ask Configure channel or in any of the issues linked on the planning issue. Thank you.